There's a couple of easy ways to use split screen on an Android tablet, and the process is similar to Android phones. To use split screen, open the app switcher and find an app you want to use in split screen mode. Tap the app icon on top of the app window and choose Open in Split Screen View. You can then choose another app to fill the other side of your screen. Just pick one of your recently used apps or browse your full app library. Once you're in the split screen view, you can drag the divider line if you want to give one of the apps a little more space. You're also not limited to two apps. You can use the taskbar on the bottom to drag a third app into your split screen view. On most tablets, 3 is the limit. If you try adding a fourth app in the mix, it'll just replace one of the existing apps in your split screen view. But realistically, I don't think I would ever need more than 3 apps at once anyway. Another kind of related way of multitasking is to use the floating window. Open the app switcher, tap any app icon, and choose Open in Pop-up View. This puts the app in a floating window that stays on top of everything else, and you can use the rest of the tablet normally and navigate between different apps while your pop-up window stays on top. If you tap the Home button, the floating window gets minimized, but the app icon stays floating on the screen, and you can bring the pop-up window back by tapping the icon. You can use the blue line on the top to bring up controls to either scale up the window or close it. One more thing I want to show. When you set up apps in split screen mode, they show up as a group in the app switcher. You can set up multiple split screen groups and then quickly switch between them. And when you're done, swipe up in the app switcher to close those apps. And that's how you multitask on your Android tablet. Click that like button if this was helpful and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, hope to see you in another video.